Does vinegar really clean everything? Is electricity always cheaper at night? Should we only water our gardens in the evening? Some household beliefs are so common, we never question whether they're true or not. Well, I'm here to put the record straight, because Nick knows best. Lots of us think vinegar can clean anything, and whilst it's true it is good for cleaning shower doors, it is acidic, and so over time it can damage your worktops, your TV screen, or even the rubbers on your washing machine. Now, my advice is to keep the vinegar for putting on your chips. Many people believe using energy at night is cheaper. This can be true, but you have to sign up to a specific scheme or tariff in order to be rewarded for using your electricity flexibly. My advice is to contact your supplier and find out how a smart meter can help you access those benefits. We've all turned up our oven or our thermostat more than we need to try and make it heat up more quickly. In actual fact, they both heat up at exactly the same speed, no matter what you do with the dial. This time of year, conkers are out. But contrary to old superstition, keeping them on the windowsill will not keep spiders away. You're better off sealing up any gaps in your window frames or hoovering up the webs. Or just make friends with them. They make pretty good housemates, they keep themselves to themselves, and they help keep down household pests like flies and other insects. One thing our parents told us is true though, you really should turn off the lights when you leave the room.